there. Look, Ate Stacy.
Let Ate Fia sing.
Ay, itong kalaro sa iyo. Best friend niya, pagkain. No? Bata na talaga. Yan tayo.
Mag-sing sa some drinks.
What are you watching? What are you watching? Oh, you are? Oh, I know.
Let us give a round of applause to, of course, ladies and gentlemen, Aulani and Avian. Palapakan po natin. Let's give them a round of applause, please. Ladies and gentlemen, together with their parents, Cyrene and Rodelio. Ayan. Ladies and gentlemen, we got one back from Texas and
Then you came in and brought along the sunshine. Now you're here to stay, and you make me shine, shine like the stars in the heavens. Shine, shine, you keep me shining through. Shine, shine, with the light that you give it. It's true. I'm shining on, all because of you. So watch me go, a light shines within me. People ask me why, and I just smile and tell them you're the reason. I'll cast the darkness aside. You make me shine, shine like the stars in the heavens. Shine, shine, you keep me shining through. Shine, shine, with the light that you give it. It's true. I'm shining on, all because of you. Like a red light shining through the night, bright as the stars in the sky. 'Cause you make me shine, shine like the stars in the heavens. Shine, shine, you keep me shining through. Shine, shine, with the light that you give it. It's true. I'm shining on, all because of you. With the light that you give it, it's true. I'm shining on, all because of you. 'Cause you make me shine.
Thank you so much. More daw, pero nakakay more dun. Si Ma'am Sayrene nagsibigay akong kanta. Yes, kantahan mo sila. Kuan. Sa inyong ganahan, from this moment. Sige, from this moment. Okay, let's hear Ma'am Sayrene. And we are round of applause, please. Mga senior, hindi din mag-video. Kita taman, alas 10. Alam, Ma'am.
Nakulaan. Nakulaan ka. Wala ko kanina kanta kay nakadungog ko sa ilang tingog. Dili daw sila prepare.
Ako hindi.
Dili po. Life has begun from this moment. You and I will never be apart. My dreams came true because of you. As long as I live, I will love you. I promise you this, there is nothing I wouldn't give from this moment on. You're the reason I believe in all we need is just the two of us. Wala na. Tabang.
Thank you so much. Play a music, okay? Then when the music stops and you are the one holding the balloon, you will be out. Oh yeah? What's the problem?
The balloon.
Okay.
You're
Sige,
out.
I'll
He's
give
out.
you balloon later. Ha? Sige, we'll be having a danceable music over there. Sige, inyuan na nga music na lang, sir. Kaya ako na lang. Okay. Okay.
It's okay.
Okay. Okay, so we are going to play pa. No, stop man ang music. Ana, trial pa to. Practice pa to. Practice pa. So ana, pag mo stop, if the music stops and you are the one holding this one, you will be out. Okay? Ready? O, sige, hatag sa name. Give up. English man siya, sir, no? Ah, okay. Kanang, you give it to her. Sarap. Okay, ready, set, go! Go, pass! Now go, make it faster. Out na ka. Oh, ayan, thank you so much. Ready, go!
Tonight I'ma let you be the captain. Tonight I'ma let you do your thing, yeah. Tonight I'ma let you be a rider. Giddy, yeah, giddy, yeah, giddy, yeah.
Go, pasa.
Tonight I'ma let you take me higher. Tonight, baby.
Ah, Julie, thank you so much. Ready, go!
We can get it on, yeah. We can get it on, yeah. Do you like it, boy? Wah, wah, wah. What you want, wah, wah. Give it to me, baby, like boom, boom, boom. What I want, wah, wah. What you want, wah, wah.
Oh, I'm sorry. Thank you so much. Ready, set, go!
Come here, rude boy. Come here, rude boy, boy. Come here, rude boy. Come here, rude boy. Come here, rude boy. Come here, rude boy, boy. Come here, rude boy. Come here, rude boy. Come here, rude boy. Come here.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, ready. Ready, set, go!
Come here, rude boy. Come here, rude boy. Come here, rude boy. Come here, rude boy, boy. Come here, rude boy. Come here, rude boy. Come here, rude boy. Come here, rude boy, boy. Come here.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, ready, go!
Come here, rude boy. Come here, rude boy. Come here, rude boy, boy.
It's your DJ Clean.
Come here, rude boy, 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 boy. Come here, rude boy, boy.
Oh, thank you so much. Okay, ready, set, go! Thank you so much. We got our winner, guys. Oh, ayan. Just keep this one ha. Ipakita niyo sa mohatag og prize later. Katong na yung mga ingon ani, duo lang mo ni ma'am. Ka-claim inyong prize. Dara oh. Here. Okay. Do you want more game, kids? Okay. 2 games man daw. Sige. Come here, kids. Come here. Sayon na po niya. Come here. Ali. Come here. Okay. Ali. Sige. I want you to stay here. Sige, go. What about the other kids? Come here. Ayan. Okay. Sige. Ayan. So we are here to welcome Aulani and Evian to the world of God. Tingnan pa si Sir, no? Ayan. So we are going to have Aulani and Evian game. Pag mingan kong Aulani, okay, you have to listen. If I'll say Aulani, you have to put your hands downward like this.
Wala?
Sure. Okay, Thank you so much. Okay, when I say Aulani, what to do, you have to put your hands downward. Okay, when I say Avian, you have to put your hands upward. Sige daw, practice. Aulani.
Aulani.
Okay, so. Okay, sige, practice. Ready? Aulani. Down pag Aulani, ana. Avian. Aulani. Avian. Kanang nakayalo kay kuan na siya kanang magsinamok na siya para mapildi ang uban. So depende ra na sa kung kinsay dito you go there. Ayan. Kung kinsay makadaog, appeal siya sa makadaog. Kay siya may kuan kanang magsinamok para mapildi. Ready? Distractor siya. Ayan, sige. Para mo distract. Ready? Practice. Final practice pa niya. Go. Aulani. Avian. Aulani. Avian. Final. Pag masayop, out. Okay? Ayan. Ready? Aulani. Avian. Aulani. Avian. Aulani. Ikaw lagi pinakauna always. Okay. Ready? Go. Aulani. Avian. Aulani. Avian. Oh, I'm sorry. Ayan. Thank you so much, Liam. Okay. Ready? Go. Aulani. Avian. Oh, I'm sorry, Aliyah. Sa nila, nakadaog na bitaw ka sa kuan. First game na to. Ready? Go. Aulani. Avian. Oh, I'm sorry, baby girl. Ayan. 3 na lang. Ready? Go. Aulani. Avian. Aulani. Ang mo storya, kamo po mo action. Sige, anak. Ready? Practice. Dapat nakasunod ang siomay, siopaw, shakoy. Ready? Go. Okay, practice pa. Practice. Ready? Go. Practice pa to ha? Last and final practice. Ready? Go. Ay, siopaw. Final. Final. Okay, final na niya pag masayo. Out. Ready. Go.
Somay.
Anak dyan na. Ready. Sige. Okay, ready. Set. Go. Go. Oh, anak dyan. Ready. Set. Go. Oh, alam kasi ako kung ano. Ready. Dinap na sa pikas. Ready. Set. Go. Sa siomaw. Sa siomaw. Wala siomaw na. Okay. Okay, wala siomaw. Okay, ready. Set. Go. Ay, I'm sorry. Okay, sige. Kani atong dapat may mo siomay, ana ha. Dapat ano, siopaw, ana jud dapat ang expression. Shakoy, ana on ha. Sige, ready. Ana dapat naing ana nga kuan. Ready. Go. Dapat taas siomay, ana on jud ha. Siopaw, ana on jud ha. Shakoy, ana. Ready. Ang dili may nga kay out ha. Ready. Set. Go. Thank you so much. Sige, ready. Set. Go. Ay, ato dapat siopaw. Ano lang pa. Sige, ready. Go. Thank you so much. Ano na lang. Ano dyan na? Somay? Sopaw? Sakoy? Ano dyan ha? Ready. Ready. Set. Go. Sige. Mga anak na rin sila. Ready. Set. Go. Parang tulungan na ito muna o karin lang tulungan. Last na dyan ni last. Pag wala yung makuan. Ready. Set. Go. Buha na lang. Ready. Set. Go. Ay, I'm sorry! Ayan, we got Nina here. Ayan, thank you so much, Nina. Ang last ka ni Joy mo yung nakadaog. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Enjoy the rest of the evening. God bless everyone. Maraming salamat po for being here. Okay, we can still stay here until around 10, sir, no? 8 p.m. So at this point in time, I would like to request Kinsa mo thank you dire si Daddy?
Si Mami.
Si Mami Cyrene. I would like to request Mami Cyrene to please be here.
Siya may hawak na budget.
Mami Cyrene, you are highly requested over here.
Mami si kami.
Ang guest, especially ang nakadaog, dili silang uli kung dili maalis dan tong imong kuan. Yan. If wala biya dyan na kita ma'am. Ay, pila ka bok adult? Raise your hand sa mga adult. 1, 2, 3. Tulog ka
Akin na lang
buok.
yung wallet mo.
Tulog ka buok. Ayun, nakadulag ka prize. Ang mga kids, kay later part na dahil siya, no? Okay, wala lang. Wow, sana all. Sana all.